Now we move on to number 5. The trick to blanking in any endeavor is never blanking feelings or fear or self-doubt. So this is what we would call the flying blind. There's really not much that they're giving us here by way of hints and triggers. So the trick to blanking any endeavor. So we could either win or succeed, right? So it could either be a big positive. So the trick to winning in any endeavor is never to allow feelings of fear or self-doubt. So if we are going to win and succeed, we're not going to allow feelings of fear or self-doubt. Now the trick to losing any endeavor is never to not allow feelings of self-doubt, which is to always allow them to come in. Now, in terms of the thing that is more likely, since it says the trick, when you have a trick, it's normally something that's helping you, like SAT tricks are helping you get your SAT score up. You're never really getting a trick to fail. So most likely, we're going to start off using the first prediction. But just keep in the back of your mind that if you don't find any of those pairs, you could always check out the second one. So looking at that first pair, if we look at the second word first, we're looking for something like allow. So squelching, maybe that's a mystery, so we're going to give it a question mark. Then pondering, also might be a mystery for you. So that's going to get a question mark. Permitting. Permit is the exact meaning of allow, so that works. So we get a check. Then we get ignoring. So ignoring and allowing, they don't really work together, so this one is out. And then letter E, entertaining. Now, if you read entertaining just as a word on its own, automatically you're thinking about a party or something exciting. However, entertaining has two meanings. You can entertain a group of people at a party, or you can entertain a thought, which means allow it to come into your head. So entertaining, like several words, have two meanings and become what we call false friends, because we automatically go to that first, more common meaning. But entertaining actually works here. So that gets a check. So now we're down to 4. So we go over to our first blank. So winning. Winning goes along with what we thought of as winning, so that gets a check. Then B is artistry. So the trick to artistry in any endeavor, that's really way too specific. We're looking for a general word like winning or success, so artistry is way too specific for this sentence, so B is out. Then we get to C, participating. So the trick to participating in any endeavor, that's not positive enough. That's a little vague. So we get rid of that. And then E is success, which is exactly what we predicted. So now you're down to a check and a question mark and 2 checks. Clearly we know which one we're going for, and E is our correct answer.